Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Dollard-Des Ormeaux, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a cheap Dollard-Des Ormeaux moving company? 3 Movers is the affordable option you need for your local or long-distance move. We provide a trustworthy team of movers ready to help get the services you need. Our team has helped plenty of people move across the country or just down the road. If you're ready to handle a long-distance move, we have the right options to help you, including backing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You can get the right moving services from us for your move of 100 miles or further. Our long-distance moving option will help you get to your new location faster and easier. Let us take the stress out of your move. You get the right local movers when you hire a good Canada moving company. With good movers, you don't have to worry about injury or damaged items from all the heavy lifting involved. Turning the work over to movers is smart for most people. 3 Movers can get you to where you need to go with the right team of local movers. Our team will save you time and energy on your move. We know how to get you there faster and without all the hassle. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dollard-Des Ormeaux moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.